This is how you can make money with Pinterest through affiliate marketing. In this video, I'll share with you how you can utilize Pinterest to make money through affiliate marketing. So the first step is to register with an affiliate program like Jumia or Amazon. Then come and create a Pinterest account pertaining your niche. So as you can see, this is a home and kitchen niche where I sell products on the home and kitchen niche. So first create an account pertaining your niche. So if it's home and kitchen, come and create a Pinterest account, then shift it to a business account so that you can see the analytics. As you can see, this is my profile. Make sure that you change the cover photo to fit your niche. Same case with the profile picture, and then the title, and make sure you have the keywords in your description. And you can also place your website. You can create a website through Google Sites where you direct people to go and purchase your products. So I have 50 followers, but my monthly views are about 13,000 monthly views. So here you can start your account by creating some pins. And what I will advise you is to create a board. First create one board and then focus on that board alone. Don't create multiple boards, because recently I realized that you'll get many impressions by just creating one board that focus on your niche. Then create pins on Canva. Let me show you one of the pins, like this one here. You can go to Canva and create a pin that you will come and post, like this pin here. I did a review on Brampton's air fryer, and this is the pin, and I direct it to my review website. So let's check out some analytics, the overview, because some of the pins go viral and you'll be able to get traffic to your offers. So let's check out my analytics. You can always come here and click on analytics and then click on overview to see how your pins are performing. So one of my pins is performing well, and I link it to my Amazon offers. So this is the platform dressing table. You can click on it. It has been able to generate over 10,000 impressions. So with this, I link it to my Kitco, where people can purchase the product. So one can do it here and can direct them to the store where I've linked it to my affiliate link. So this is the store. You can create a Kitco store where you link it to your affiliate link. So when someone comes, just buy it on Amazon, because the link is from Amazon, then I will earn a commission. So how do you get started with Pinterest? First, you have to choose a niche. Then come here on analytics and click on trends to find trending topics that you can focus on, because that's where the money is. So click on trends. Let's say you are looking for vanity desk. It will be able to show you what's trending. So as you can see, it has been on an upward trend. Then create pins, and you can also add this to see the trend too. So after focusing on vanity desk, where will you get the keywords to put on your description? Come to ads and then click on create campaign. This is where you'll be able to get the keywords to add on your description. So just click on manual and then click get started. Yes, get more people to click on your ad. Just scroll down and click on continue. Here, come and select find your customers. Scroll down until I see interest and keywords. Click on it and then click click add keywords, then search for vanity desk. So as you can see, these are some of the keywords you will add on your description for it to get ranked on Pinterest. So copy these keywords and add it on your heading. So as I just said, create a board pertaining your niche or the product you are promoting. Make sure it is something searchable on Pinterest. You can always come here and click the search button and just search for something you are looking for. Vanity. No, not enough pens. Let's check one. All pens. Search for vanity. Desk. As you can see, there are many searchable terms. Come and copy these and make pins on all these searchable terms, because these are what people are searching for, and your pins will rank. So after that, all you need to do is to be consistent, make pins daily, and you can also look for some pins on TikTok and just come and post, just to post your new account. So after being consistent, you just see traffic coming into your website. You can get your website with site Google. These are free websites. You can just come to site Google and click on blank and create your own website like this one. These are my free websites, and embed your links to your affiliate offers. So that's how you can make money with Pinterest.